what they want flag up, eh? You know, tell Oga something, say, we won't make our own day like this, just like this only.
Madam, wait. Media, go back. Go back now. Go back. Let's go.
Fubara, run your service stop. My governor just needs something. You know my governor just needs something. He said,
and aerospace development. Chief Festus Keyamo. Sang. The former governor of Rivers State, Sir Celestine Omehia. Distinguished Senator John Mbata, the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. Other leaders that are here with us, let me use Senator Mbata as a point of contact. The Secretary to the State Government, the Chairman of Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, our royal fathers that are here. I would want to do a bit explanation on this project so that we understand the reason why we are embarking on this project. And I'm also happy that Sergeant Awusi is here. About a year ago, this very respected community went and protested in the course of protests, maybe demanding for one thing or the other. They blocked the airport entrance. And it wasn't the first time. It is something that happens from time to time. And we've been looking for a way to resolve this issue. That particular one was so embarrassing. And it was the period when we were also going through very traumatic political wahala. So you can imagine blocking the airport. The interpretation was the government was not doing anything. The government could not even handle the situation. So we had to move in. We invited the community and asked, what is the issue? They mentioned issues of employment. I told them it was above my power. It's a federal agency, so we'll discuss with them. They mentioned issue of healthcare. I said, that is within my power. And immediately, I directed that the health center should be activated, and I believe today the health center is working functionally. They also demanded for electricity. I said, okay, no problem. That is within our power. We will do that. I also believe that that request was granted. So when we got back, we said, how do we solve this problem? Business activities was shut down in Rivers State that day. It wasn't a good thing. How would people coming to invest in Rivers State feel? At the slightest of provocation, my people will come and block the airport. I said, we need to look for a permanent solution to this problem. So what we're doing here today is to create, or we have already created. If we say creating, then it's like we intend doing it. We have started it already to create a bypass where the community people can access their place without interfering with the issue of the airport. The truth about it is not even healthy that you should be passing through the airport to your communities in case something happens. So we have resolved this issue for you today. This road would lead to your communities. It will also bring development. But just remember that I'm the one, it's our government that is constructing the road. Therefore, keep some part of it for Rivers State government too. So we are happy that not just the community giving us the support, but the Minister of Aviation gave us support. The airport authority also stood by us. In fact, I wish some of them were contractors. They even wanted to start the job before us because they knew the importance of this project. So I'm happy that today, by the special grace of God, we are fulfilling that promise, and we're also solving the problem that always comes up when our community fall out with the airport authority. The advantage of this road cannot be overemphasized. It will bring a lot of development to this community. It will make life easy for them. Commercial activity will now increase. So I wish all of you well while you enjoy one dividend of democracy. It is because we are still here. That is the reason why we're also doing it. And I want to say thank you for all your support, for making it possible for us to still stand as a government. The other leg of the project is Rivers State is noted first. Our resources were rich. We are very flamboyant people, our dresses, our culture. But how do people see us when they want to visit Rivers State? We can't leave all those responsibilities in the hands of the Honorable Minister and Mr. President. It's a joint thing. So we took it upon ourselves to give a facelift on the driveways around the airport. And I can say it boldly and proudly that anyone who comes into Port Harcourt today feels that sense of, look, these people are serious people. The beauty of the state reflects from the entrance of the state. So I'm happy that it wasn't just something conceived for our personal purposes. It was for the good of Rivers State. That particular project within the airport, the greeter, and the roundabout is 12.2 kilometers. It's not a joke. It's serious business. And I'm happy to say that we delivered it. This particular one that we are starting today is 7.1 kilometers. So you can imagine what we are doing within this axis over 19.3 kilometer road. That is what we are investing in the life and the people of Ipo and the greater. So I want to thank all of you for this particular support. Let me also say it here, contractor, this project will not exceed 8 months. We do not intend to commission this project by next year. It is this year. When I say this year, counting from 8, so this is 1 already. So we're already in December, by the grace of God, we're transiting to January. So just know that we are coming here in the next 7 months. So the other part of it, let me also throw little light. Our great people of Ipo, as soon as this road commences and is completed, you don't have any business with this other old road. The old road will be tolled. If you're entering from the entrance there, the police post, there will be a toll gate. You will pay money to enter. And I believe that if you don't have any serious business in the airport, you don't need to come around there now, is it not? If you are coming to your village, you take this one, express, bam, you are in your village. You take this one, bam, you are in your farm. You take this one, bam. If you want to go to the airport, you also pass like this, and we'll collect your money there. So you can understand what we're doing. We're solving problem, and we also want everybody to be happy. Today, I'm also very happy this morning. I'm not just a member of the All Progressive Congress. I am the #1. I have collected, listen, wait now, wait. I have collected my card, and the form is 0001. This moment is not an issue of it be like say, it no be. I am there with all my chest and heart. And what is the message? What is the message? The message is clear. We are going to do everything to make sure that 2027 election for Mr. President will be a smooth drive in Rivers State. How do we do it? It is with all of you here. It is your support. The only way we can continue to tell Mr. President thank you is to support him. So take note. As you're living here, we have started our work. We are not going to relent. We will join force with every other agency, every other group that are in support of the cause of Mr. President. Let me thank you again. Let me thank the community, my adopted community. You adopted me now. Everywhere I go, you adopt me. Everywhere you go. That's how I went to Ohasanyata Awusi's place. One elderly woman said, Nambi Bonam, Nambi Bonam, Nambi Bonam. So here now, people have taken me. My people there for trouble. Oh. So let me thank all of you again. Assure you that no matter what it is, we will continue to do what will uplift the face of Rivers State. We will not join in anything that will bring negative news to Rivers State. That is also the message to all of you that are my supporters. Continue with those things that will bring pride and honor to our state. Let me therefore call the Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development to come and talk to his people. He's our brother. We must support him. For us. Thank you, and may God bless all of you.
Your Excellency, this is the day that the Lord has made. For us in the aviation industry, you have solved one of our biggest headaches. It has always been, first, our headache that the road leading to the Port Harcourt Airport, once you branch off the highway, that road had been in a deplorable condition. And we had always wanted to give that road a facelift so that those who arrive Port Harcourt, which is one of our international airports, one of our oldest international airports, they will have a good view of the city or a good impression when they are driving into the city. But like you know, sir, looks like Rivers State, you have more money than us. So we have been begging you to help us do it. I'm sure when we leave here, everybody, the world will see that you have done it for us. That's the first problem you have solved for us. The second problem is our dear brothers and sisters from this community. First of all, let me apologize most profusely to the members of this community for any perceived wrong we, as Federal Airport Authority and Aviation Ministry, have done to them. Any perceived neglect, we apologize. We know you are our host here. We know we should pay more attention to you. We have done some, but we can always do more. And the governor has come to our rescue. We take note of all the protests you have sent to us. I receive letters from you every time in my office. And it has always been a situation where we have always been asking ourselves, what can we do more for this community? And so when I cried to the governor responded with alacrity. I cried to him. The response of the governor, the passion he has for the people of this community is unmatched. I remember that day when they protested here, I think it was last year, sir. And I got a call from you. I said, they have blocked your airport. I called my MD fan. I said, what is happening? He said, the community here, they are protesting one thing or the other. And as we were thinking of how to solve the problem, the governor called back. On his own, without my arriving here, he had called them to a government house and has doused the tension for us. We thank you, sir, for that act of statesmanship that you displayed. And before I knew it, he started providing some of the succor for this community on our behalf. So today, we thank God that we are received here with warmth by this community. We have been received with love and friendliness, and I assure you that we will reciprocate. By the time this road is completed, we are here to flag off the bypass. We are going to open a whole new corridor here, outside that other one that leads to the airport. And in any case, you see, that is airport road, so no private development can happen there. So now what is happening is that the governor is killing 10 birds with one stone. Because first of all, it's opening up this community more. Secondly, this corridor that is open now is a whole new estate that the governor is opening for this community. More commercial activities, more, buildings with spring repair, more people will be empowered. The people of this community will be connected more, to the other parts of the state. So we just thank the governor for what he has done. But I will not conclude without warmly welcoming the latest catch we have in the APC. The latest catch. We set a trap to catch a frog. We caught an elephant. We caught an elephant in the person of Sir Similari Fubara. Welcome to the fold of the progressive, sir. Welcome to the big family. Welcome to the largest party in Africa. I was there this morning when you received your membership card. And as a true son of the South-South, may I say that we want to thank Mr. President. I cannot live here without thanking Mr. President for all he has done for the people of Rivers State, for all he has done for the people of the South-South. It has never been this good for the South-South. From zero, we started from zero in 2015. Now, we are 6/6 in the South-South for the ruling party. And traditionally, Rivers State has never been in opposition. So what we had from 2015 to this time was even an aberration. It was an aberration. From time, Rivers State has always aligned with the center for the progress and good of the people of Rivers State. I want to thank you for your dexterity, for your bold decision, sir. I want to thank Mr. President for the bold reforms he has done that has attracted many of you, many people to the ruling party. I don't want to talk about the other party. By the time my state, I'm proud to say, sir, that my state, Delta State, started this revolution. We started this revolution. My governor started this revolution. We welcomed him, and it opened the doors, the floodgates for everybody to come into the party. For the other party, before one leg has gone, the second leg gone, one hand. But today, with Rivers, the soul left. It was the soul that left the party. And there's no soul again in the other party. So thank you, sir. And I have the pleasure and privilege to then flag off this bypass for the airport road. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Good job. Hey, madam.
Madam, you be.
Send her back here. Hey, Ubi.
Don't stand up.
No, that you're not even supposed to be.
Yeah, I see.
Bend down.
Stand up.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
To the glory of God Almighty, we dedicate this project. So, God Almighty and the people of River State, and we thank the governor for what he has done on this federal project. God bless you. Honorable Minister.
Don't push it.
Again, to the glory of God Almighty, I unveil this plaque, the rehabilitation of the Query Road to Airport Phase 2, executed by the administration of His Excellency, Sir Similarly Fubara, GSSRS, FCA, Governor of River State, and commissioned by my humble self, Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development of Nigeria, on this 12th day of December 2025. To God be the glory. God bless you.